How to fix Xbox account banned 2026. To fix a banned Xbox account, you must submit a case review directly through the official Xbox enforcement portal. So, first of all, check your eligibility. Your account must have an active suspension that is longer than 24 hours in duration. It must also have occurred within the last 12 months. And penalties that are already completed, short duration communication blocks or content takedowns without service suspension cannot be appealed. And also ensure if it is a device ban. If your entire physical console has been hardware banned from the console network, the decision is irrevocable and cannot be lifted by any support channel. Now, go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice or simply open the application onto your device. From here, head to the Xbox support. Once you're here within the Xbox support panel, go ahead and look at your active penalty under the current enforcement list by simply logging into your account. Then click the Submit and Appeal option. Xbox will require you to pass a cert multiple choice quiz regarding the Xbox community standards to prove you understand the rules. Once you provide your statement, you should be good to go. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.